guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a review slash demo on the new Tammi X Revolution Beauty, her collection. It is gorgeous. The packaging is gorgeous. It's beautiful. Funny enough, I actually did not know who Tammi was until I saw her collection on Trendwood's page. And when I saw it, I was just like, I need it. Like, I need it. So this is my very first the very first collection, because I know she has two other ones with Makeup Revolution. This is my very first one, and it is beautiful, and I'm excited for you guys to see how I created this and just see me play with the product. But anyways, let's get started, okay? Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you're not yet following me. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and turn on the bell notification. That way you're notified when I do upload, because listen, YouTube, come here. Cause you be trying it. You be really trying it, YouTube, okay? You don't be notifying people when I post. Like, what's good? Did I offend you? Like, what? But yeah, make sure you turn on the post notification and like the video, comment down below. And now let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so let's get started. As usual, I have my brows filled in. I use the ABH brow pomade in the shade Ebony, and then my eyes are already primed using the Anastasia eyeshadow primer. And yeah, we're gonna jump right on into the palette. So it looks like this. Ooh, let me put the mirror down. It looks like this. It is 28 shades, right? Yeah, 7 across, 4 down. Yeah, 7 times 4, 28. Has 28 shades in here. And I've already swatched some of the shimmers. It does have 3 pressed glitters in here. Let me put this up like this. It does have 3 pressed glitters in here. And one thing I noticed about like Makeup Revolution shadows, this is my first time owning any, but they tend to look like putty, if that makes sense. But they're kind of reminiscent of the ColourPop, what are those things called? They're the eyeshadows that got them started. The ones in the little, I can't think of the name, whatever it's called. But anyways, let's get started. And I want to try a new type of technique. I don't do this technique at all. Hold up, my lips are like, this is a Jouer, their essential lip enhancer. I'm gonna go into the shade first called Sunrise, which is this shade right here. And this is a style of eyeshadow that I've seen like people do, like where they kind of like pat and then like blend later. All right, so I cleaned the brush off, and I'm gonna go into the shade right next to Sunrise, which is called Dusk, this yellow right here. And I'm just going to put that here. And the same thing, I'm gonna pat it on, and then I'm gonna go back and like blend. Ah, I forgot to do this eye. I forgot I had a whole nother eye. Like, I realized I forgot about this eye. Dang. I gotta go back and like do this again. Okay, well, since I'm here, let me put this here. Wow, like, how do you forget you have another eye, Whitney? Like, how does that happen? Okay, so that is that for that part. I'm gonna jump into the shade called True Love. I'm gonna take that purple, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place this here. Same thing, we're gonna pack on the color. Oh, we're going bright today. What? Whitney, this is different for me, okay? This is, I don't do this type of eye makeup. Like, I like color, but not like where it's like something here. Like, this is different, and I kind of like it. Okay, so I want to go next into, why not? Let's just do it. I want to go into this shade right here. We're using all the mattes. I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I just want to go over it on, ooh, I thought it was going to be a completely different situation here. And I'm just going to place this. I'm just having fun today, okay? Like, this palette is just fun looking. Like, this blue is like intense. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend this because I think I've put on enough of the blue. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut my crease. Oh, they're called the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadows. That's what it's called. I was like, what is that thing called? Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the blue shade and just kind of put a little bit more on. All right, so I do want to put a shimmer on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the shade Sunset. So Sunset is this color right here. I don't like their shimmer formula. I don't. Yeah, they're reminiscent of the ColourPop ones, and I didn't like those. Like I like a nice powder shadow and not like this. Like it's going on the eye, but I feel like I'm kind of going into the palette a couple times. And it's not anything against like Tammi. It's more so Makeup Revolution. Like that's just their formula. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade called Candlelight. I'm taking my finger. I'm just gonna place this like right here. All right, so I wanna fix just something up about this look. Just something real quick, and I see what I need to do in order to get this look to look what I want it to look like. Because right now, it feels very separate. Like it feels like crease and then like what I did here. So I'm gonna take this brush right here and I'm gonna go back into that purple shade that I used earlier, which is called True Love. And I'm just gonna define it more because it kind of got lost. And I feel like if I define it more, I connect what I did in the crease to what I'm doing down below. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do a wing liner, put on some lashes, do my foundation, concealer, and then I'll be back to show you guys the face palettes, okay? All right, you guys, so this is what we're looking like right now. So I'm gonna have everything that I put on my face and the lashes, everything's gonna be down below. But I do wanna go back to the eyeshadow. I was gonna just copy like the purple blue down here. But then I was like, I don't wanna do that no more. Where's the brush I'm looking for? Here we go. So what I'm gonna do, my eye look like it's like lazy on this side. I don't know. It's the lashes, like whatever. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna take the shade Mojito and then I'm gonna go into the shade Night Walk. So I'm gonna take Mojito with this small pencil brush. I'm just gonna put this here. All right, and then I'm gonna go into the shade Night Walk, and I'm just gonna put this on the outer part of the eye. This is pretty. This is pretty. It is, but I want a little bit more, like the lower lash line. I feel like it's cute, but like I want a little bit more pop to it. So I'm gonna clean off this brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Promises in the palette, which is like this jade color. I don't know, like a light jade. I can't even describe the color. It's of some sort of green. And I'm just gonna put that over where I just placed. Ooh, that's cute. That's cute. I'm gonna place that over that lighter green shade Mojito. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and I wanna add a little bit of black. Actually, no, we're not gonna add black. We're gonna add the blue. We already did the blue in the palette, but we're gonna go ahead and add it again. I'm gonna go into that blue shade Nightfall with this really, can you see that? Can you focus? Yeah, with a brush like that. It does have some black on it already, but it's fine. And I'm just gonna smudge this up here a little bit. And I'm not trying to bring it too far in because I don't want it to take over this shimmer green that I just put on. Perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on some bottom mascara, and then we're gonna jump into the face palettes, which I'm so freaking excited for. All right, so we're gonna jump into the face palettes. I got both of them because I really wanted them. So Paradise Glow is the lighter of the two, and Tammi says that this is better suited for like, I mean, more, I mean, pretty much if you're like my skin tone, a little bit deeper than me and lighter, this should work perfectly for you. And then if you're much deeper, you can get away with this one. But I really wanted this one because of the blush, the bronzer, the highlighter. I don't care too much for the contours in either palette. I don't like to contour. I don't like the undertone on me. I just feel like it's too cool and I just don't like the way it looks. I don't really contour, but we are gonna jump into this bronzer. I'm gonna first go into the Paradise Glow. I actually want to see if that bronzer shows up on my skin tone. So I'm gonna go into this. Oh snap. Yeah, you guys. It shows up. It shows up all right. Oh my gosh, yeah. Y'all see that? So this could be the bronzer that, because I'm gonna use both. Like the other one, I'm gonna use it for sure. This can be the bronzer that I use for like when I want to just do something soft. And then when I want a little bit more depth, I would jump into the, what is it called? The Golden Hour palette of the two. I love her palettes just for the main fact is it has every single thing that I would need as far as like cheek stuff in one place. So whenever like I can really like go back out and like travel, this is something I would definitely take with me. Like I love it. Like I really do. All right, so I'm gonna go into the Golden Hour palette. I'm gonna go into the Bronze Bell bronzer. And this say be lightly handled with this. And I did just swirl my brush in there. Let me see. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is it. And then this is it without. This is just the other bronzer, which is called Bronze Goddess. Like softer, and then when I want like more bronze, more depth, if I happen to get a tan. The blush that I want to use is the one from the Golden Hour palette, and I want to use this. This blush is so pretty. When I think this is what sold me on her entire collection. I literally wanted that color, and I was like, well, let me go ahead and get the eyeshadow and all the palettes. Why not, right? We're gonna just go ahead and, I hope I'm not out of focus the whole. Whoa, hold on, let me move this to the other side. That's intense. Okay, Ash, where? Not here. I gotta blend this out. That was intense. Okay, so if you get this palette, that blush is highly intense. Like I'm looking at the viewfinder, I'm like, I hope I don't look like a psycho with how intense my blush is. I'm trying to like diffuse it out. Let me grab my beauty blender and just kind of like go over it a little bit and, you know, soften it up. Oh, whoa. And I'm gonna keep on the same trend with the Golden Hour palette. And I'm gonna go into the Golden Hour highlighter, which is this really pretty gold color. Tammy, did you have to have it that pigmented? Oh my God. Okay, you guys, if you have not bought this and you plan on it, you have to be light-handed. I'm here thinking I'm being light-handed, and I'm like, whoa, I keep like, that's intense. I gotta tone this down. Hold up. I don't like that blinding highlighter anymore. I remember when that was a trend in like 2015 and 16. Like, okay, I gotta be very light-handed with this. Oh my gosh. But I'm happy that this is a problem for us women of color, for us black women, that we have the issue of it being too pigmented, because usually we be swirling in the pan like it's not showing up. Like, I love that this is a good problem to have. Oh my gosh, I am happy. Like, okay, yeah, I like the way I did this side better. It's much softer. This side, let me see if I can tone it down a little bit more. I do plan on using these face palettes in other videos, so if you would have liked to see me use more Paradise Glow, which I definitely only use like this one shade, I do want to try out the highlighter and the blush, and I'm not opposed to trying out the contours for you guys on camera. I do plan on using these in more videos. Like, these are about to be like staples. Like, you will definitely see them showing up over and over again. So I didn't get her lipstick, which I'm just like kicking myself for that. Like, I don't know why I skipped on it. Actually, I know why, because I was like, oh, I have stuff like that. And then the more and more I was watching Tammy's videos, I'm like, I need that gloss. And like now the lip set is sold out. So it does, they are planning to bring it to the US, like Ulta stores and whatnot will have it. So whenever it does come to the US in Ulta's, I do plan on picking up that lip set just to support her, and also I want it. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and let me just say I love it. I am absolutely just in love with this entire collection. Tammi, you did an amazing job. If you're watching this video, I don't know if you're watching this video, but if you ever do, you did an amazing job on this collection. I love the packaging. I love the color selection. Like, I love these shades. They are very, very pigmented. Now, I will say I'm not the craziest over Makeup Revolution's shimmers. I don't like that like putty, but I mean, I got it on. It's just more so you just gotta, I wouldn't even say take your time. It's just you have to learn textures. When you're used to a certain type of texture, it's a little bit of a change to try something different. But I definitely will see myself using this palette. I definitely want to try out the more neutral shades, the pressed glitters. I love it. And for the price, it's amazing. I believe when converted to American dollars, this was $20, I believe. All I know is that I paid $55 total for everything here. And then let's talk about the actual face palettes. I freaking love Golden Hour. And by the way, all these palettes come with a mirror. I love. If you are a black woman, I really highly recommend you trying this out. Like, this is perfect. Like, you get everything you need. You get your highlighter, your blush, your bronzer, and your contour all in one place, and everything actually shows up on you. I actually like when people do face palettes that are geared towards a certain skin tone than doing like something that's for everybody. I feel like if you're a makeup artist, that benefits you more than like your everyday consumer. Like, you just literally won't use those shades because you're not that color, you know? So I love the fact that she gave options, because there are some stuff that are too deep for me, or there are things that are too light for somebody who happens to be darker than me. I would highly recommend you buying this. I believe everything except for the lip set as of right now is still available on Revolution's on their website, and this is going to be coming to Ulta's. Actually in July. Today's June 30th that I'm filming this, so it should be coming this month, and hopefully it'll be in stores, and I will be there to get the lip set because I really want that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.